Hi guys, it's me Klim Anwar from FIX Techland. I hope guys you all doing well. Today our topic how to solve the problem when VM Protect SDK 32.DLL is missing. So it is very easy, very simple. You just stay with me. I will tell you step by step. So first of all you open your Google Chrome browser. So when you open your Google Chrome browser, here you type VM Protect SDK32.DLL. Click on it. So when you do that, here you see this option VM Protect SDK32.DLL free download. Click on it. So when you do that, this type of page will appear in front of you, and here you just scroll down, and when you just scroll down, here you download files. So as you see here guys, the files has been downloaded. So we just close this window and then go to our downloads. That our setup has been downloaded. So I just do right click on it, and when I do right click on it, here I got the option of extract files. Click on it, then OK. So when I do that, the file was created in my system, and I just open this file, and here I copy this, and then I go to local disk C. Here I go to Windows, and in Windows, here I got the option of System32. Go to System32, and here paste your file. So guys, then as you see here guys, my file has been pasted here. So guys, by following all these steps, your issue will be resolved. So I hope guys this video will be helpful for you, and if you think that this video will be informative for you, so please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel for FIX Techland. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye.